So with rising interest rates, rising home prices, many people are asking, is it still a good time to buy a house? Which is a loaded question, to be honest. And instead, I advise people to ask this question: is it a good time in my life to buy a house? So there's going to be a lot of personal factors that will help you determine whether or not you're ready and able to buy a house. One of the factors that isn't personal but should be included is the current state of the real estate market. I'm Shalyse Kendrick with Keller Williams Real Estate, here with the latest housing market update for Long Beach, California. So first, let's start with interest rates. We know that they've increased, and they've put a lot of people's plans on hold or priced them out of the market completely, but there's still a lot of people out there looking and who need a home. So Bankrate recently did a poll that indicates that mortgage experts are split in their mortgage rate predictions. The poll was really recent. 20% predicted that rates will go up, 40% believe that they'll go down, and 40% predict that they will stay the same. So, there's indicators out there, but it's largely unpredictable when it comes to interest rates. Even the experts are divided. How certain are you that you can still comfortably afford the type of home that you want if rates went up? What if home prices and rates went up? What you can be more certain about is your current financial situation at today's interest rates and at today's home prices. The other factor you might consider is the local market conditions. So let's get into it. In Long Beach, we had a 1.3 month supply of inventory, which is down by 7.1 from the same time last year. This was the same for both single-family homes and condos/townhouses. In May 2022, we had 207 new listings, which was down by 11.9% from the same time last year. There were 160 closed sales. For condos, there were 115 new listings that hit the market, which was down by 21.2%, and a total of 109 closed sales. The average sales price for a single-family home in May 2022 is $1,063,869, up by 16.8%. The average time on the market was 13 days, down by 18.8%. The average sales price for a condo is $556,216,000, up by 8.7%, with an average of 15 days on market, down by 37.5%. So for single-family homes in the month of May 2022, the average percent of the list price received is 105.4, which means on average, sellers are selling their homes for 5.4% above the list price, which is up by 1.4% from the same time last year. Condos, 104.2, up by 2.3%. What these numbers appear to be showing is the cyclical nature of the real estate market throughout the year. For most of these statistics, and I'll link the data right down below so you can see it, you'll notice a downward trend for data points like the average sales price, closed sales, and the average percent received of the original list price, with an increase in inventory. So when comparing these numbers to the numbers in April, by the way, go check out my April video, it may look like a market slowdown. However, it's important to look at these numbers in comparison to where they were at the same time last year and the year before that. There's been a continuous trend upward with the growth in the average price and continuous trend downward for the supply of inventory. In a time of uncertainty about the future in the housing market and in interest rates, it's always a better choice to bank on what you're certain about if your ultimate goal is to buy a home and live in it. That holds true if you're considering selling your home as well. So bank on what you know and not what you don't. My name is Shalyse Kendrick. I'm a local real estate agent here in Long Beach. If you're thinking about moving here or selling your home in the Long Beach or surrounding areas, I'd love to have a chat with you. All of my contact information is right down below, and I appreciate you watching my video. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.